Boost your vocabulary in just 60 seconds. Here are 10 unique synonyms you can use every day.
Happy, joyful. Don't just say happy, say joyful. Example, I'm feeling joyful after the good news. Sad, gloomy. Instead of sad, try gloomy. Example, the weather makes me feel gloomy. Fast, swift. Replace fast with swift. Example, she's a swift runner. Slow, sluggish. Don't say slow, use sluggish. Example, I feel sluggish after a big meal. Beautiful, stunning. Beautiful is common, try stunning. Example, she looked absolutely stunning at the event. Smart, brilliant. Swap smart with brilliant. Example, what a brilliant idea. Tired, exhausted. Tired sounds boring, use exhausted. Example, I'm exhausted after work. Easy, effortless. Don't say easy, say effortless. Example, the task was effortless for him. Important, crucial. Use crucial instead of important. Example, sleep is crucial for your health. Funny, hilarious. Funny is basic, hilarious sounds better. Example, that movie was hilarious. Start using these words daily and sound smarter instantly. Follow for more quick English tips.